Hello everyone! Welcome to Bouncy Bee's Adventure, where we explore the magical world of letters. Today, we're going to learn all about the letter B.
All through the town.
Hi kids! I'm Buzzy the Bee and I'm here to help you discover the amazing letter B.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go.
This is the uppercase B. Say with me. Uppercase B. And the small one is the lowercase b. All together. Lowercase b.
Yeah!
The sound of the letter B is B. B. Say with me. B. That's great.
Let's follow Buzzy as he takes us on a journey to find objects that begin with the letter B.
Look, kids! I see a big, beautiful butterfly fluttering by. And don't you know that the word butterfly starts with the letter B? Yeah, it starts with letter B. Say with me. Butterfly. Butterfly.
Down, up and down, up and down.
That's right! Butterfly starts with letter B. But wait, what else can we find?
Wow! Look at those big blue birds flying around the banana leaves. Birds also start with letter B. Can you say with me? Birds. Birds. That's awesome. Hey, wait. Have you noticed that? The word blue starts with a B sound too. Say with me. B. Blue. There is more. The word banana also starts with B sound. Say with me. B. Banana. Banana.
Absolutely! Banana is another word that begins with the letter B. Great job, everyone!
We had so much fun discovering all these fantastic things that start with letter B. But our adventure doesn't end here. There are plenty more B words out there waiting to be found.
That's right, Buzzy! So kids, keep your eyes peeled for more B wonders in the world around you.
Bye everyone! See you next time on another exciting letter adventure. Bye bye!
Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Goodbye!